microlearning. Imagine a world where learning fits seamlessly into your busy life. Enter microlearning, an innovative educational method that delivers bite-sized lessons, typically lasting just 5 to 15 minutes. This approach is designed for those with limited time, focusing on a single, clear objective in each session. Picture yourself absorbing new skills or concepts quickly and efficiently, perfect for today's fast-paced environment. Microlearning is incredibly flexible. You can engage with content anytime, anywhere, often right from your mobile device. Whether it's a quick video, an interactive quiz, or a concise infographic, the variety keeps your learning experience fresh and engaging. This method shines in corporate training and onboarding processes, encouraging immediate application of what you've learned. It aligns perfectly with modern learning habits, catering to those who crave quick, effective solutions. With microlearning, retaining information becomes easier, helping you stay up to date and ahead in your field. Embrace the future of learning.